Hey guys, this is Jason with Boundless Home Solutions. I've got a 2009 Ford F-150 and there's a clicking in the dash when you try to adjust the temperature from cold to hot or hot to cold. And the actuator, it's called the blend door actuator, is bad. And so I saw a lot of things online. I wanted to show you guys the easy way to get this thing out. So you gotta take this rubber pad off. Take these two bolts out here, which are, I believe, 7mm, and they just got some clips there. Oh yeah, you got to take these side pieces off, and if you have one of those little plastic pry bars, or get really careful with a screwdriver, you can pry these out fairly easily. Just get those out of the way. Then you pop the stereo out. So, sorry about that. Then you got a couple of screws here that you need to take out. Oh, easy does it. Like so. One down here. Fold that out of the way. And then you've got 4 bolts to take the CD player out. You just slide that bad boy out. And then here's the really tricky part that I see everybody struggling with. The actuator is back in there, and there's not enough clearance between the top of the actuator and this metal frame component. And people make their own little wrenches and things to fit back there to get the back bolt. I mean, this bolt is super easy, and it's right in front. The one in the back is around the back of the actuator. What I ended up doing is actually just, because I knew the actuator was bad and it's held together with clips, so I just took the clips out and basically disassembled the actuator, took the top half of the actuator off, and that gave me the clearance I needed to get that back bolt out. So I'm going to try to put the new actuator in with just the front bolt and see if that's secure enough. I think it's going to be fine. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright. Here's what that actuator looks like when you take the top half of it off. You can see, I don't know if you can see back there the back bolt, but the bolt head sticks up enough that you can get a regular wrench on it. So that's what you got to do. Alright, there it is installed. It ran through its calibration procedure and seems to be working fine. I can turn it to hot and cold, and it goes back and forth just fine with no clicking. And that's only held in with that front bolt, which is easy to get to, so it doesn't look like it's wobbling around or doing anything crazy. So I think it's going to work just fine. So there is the easiest way to get that actuator fixed and stop the clicking in the dash. Hope it helps.